Go.
This meeting is being recorded.
Good afternoon, Dr. Maru, and this is Li Xiang. I'm from China.
This is Chen Sen. I'm from China too.
My name is Regidor III Dioso, and I'm from Malaysia.
My name is Aden. I am from Somalia.
So now we are going to do our group presentation. And let's Duke share the screen. So for our group presentation that we mainly chose Xiaomi as our major company, and we will talk about something about the company of Xiaomi. So I would like to give an introduction of Xiaomi. And Xiaomi is a privately owned Chinese electronics company headquartered in Beijing, China. It was founded in 2010 by serial entrepreneur Lei Jun, and who believed that high quality technology doesn't need to cost a fortune. As the world's third largest smartphone distributor, Xiaomi designs, develops, and sells smartphones, mobile apps, and consumer electronics. The release of its first smartphone was in August 2011. And next, I would briefly explain on the budget and business planning process. So what is budgeting? And a budget is a microeconomic concept that shows the trade-off made when one good is exchanged for another. In terms of the bottom line or the end result of this trade-off, a surplus budget means profits are anticipated, and a balanced budget means revenue are expected to equal expenses, and deficit budget means expenses will exceed revenues. And next, I would like to share something about business planning process. So basically, what is business planning? It is the process whereby organizations leaders figure out the best roadmap for growth and document their plan for success. And the basic plan process include 6 steps as follows. And so, as we can see that there are 6 steps: do research, strategize, and calculate the financial forecast, and draft a plan, revise and proofread. And at last, we need to nail the business plan presentation. So every entrepreneur dreams of the day their business become widely successful. And a business plan, a written document that provides an outline and resources needed to achieve success. And this document helps entrepreneur make a better decision and avoid common pitfalls along the way. So next, let's welcome my partner Chen Sen to continue to introduce something about Xiaomi.
This is Xiaomi sales budget for 2022. Using the incremental budget method based on the historical data on the internet. So Xiaomi's mobile phone sales numbers are on the rise. In view of Huawei's mobile phone chip stacked market vacuum and many other factors, SWOT analysis is adopted, and the total sales growth is expected to be 20% in 2022. Mobile phone demand price elasticity is high. The unit price will remain at 1,100 yuan level. So figure out mobile sales. Phones account for 68% of Xiaomi's overall sales, which is divided by 0.68 to get the overall sales budget. Xiaomi usually receives 70% of its marketing revenue in cash in the current quarter, and the remaining 30% will be received in the next quarter. Combined with the retained cash of 14 billion 450 million at the end of 2021, the sales budget for the first to fourth quarters is been obtained. So next page, please. Look next page. This is our Xiaomi cash budget for 2022. The cash balance at the beginning of the first quarter is obtained from the cash balance at the end of the previous year, and the cash balance in the second, third, and fourth quarters is obtained from the previous quarter. The cash receipts are derived from the sales budget, and the available cash is the sum of the two. Cash expenditure should behind the 7 budgets: production budget, material budget, and labor budget, and so on. Due to the limitation of time and data acquisition, only incremental budget method be used to determine the result. So cash is over. That needn't to borrow money. The ending cash balance is derived by subtracting past long and short-term borrowing interest. That's all.
My name is Alan. I would like to talk. Based on Xiaomi cash and sales budgets for 2022, we need to expand production and will fund it near to further strengthen the investment. We made 4 plans as follows: channel strategy, product strategy, promotion strategy, and price strategy. Next slide. This is a table of quarter. This is a table of quarter. Quarter starting cash balance, 1 quarter, 30,000, 2 quarter, 31,600, 38, 3 quarter, and 4 quarter. Yearly also 349,000 and 6,400. Okay, plus cash. Also, all this about talk about the how gaining and losing. Okay. Next is that.
Alright, the common classifications and common types of budgeting in business are master budget, operating budget, cash budget, financial budget, labor budget, and static budget. So the master budget of Xiaomi is presented here on the next slide, showing their earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization, which is a measure of a company's overall financial performance and is used as an alternative to net income in some circumstances. There is a year that is shown here from 2021 2019, 2020, and 2021, and the total budget of Xiaomi is divided here from 51,911,610 up to 4,117,753. These are the net income, total assets, and total debts of Xiaomi's master budget. Now, the total assets are 45,950,310, and the net income is 2,995,057. That is from a 3-year financial summary liquidation of the company's overall financial performance. And this is an example of one of the types of budget, which is called a master budget.
And next, we'll identify the components of a business budget. And in fact, that for budget, we can have 3 different types. That is a business budget, special decision budget, and a financial budget. And on those 3 different kinds of budget, that business occupies the most important position and role in budgeting. Okay, and for business budgeting, that we have 7 components. Okay, and they are sales budget, production budget, direct material budget, and direct labor budget, manufacturing overhead budget, product cost budget, and finally, that is selling expenses and administrative expenses. So that is about this part.
All in all, this is a conclusion. Xiaomi has gained market share in mainland China and expanded into developing a wider range of consumer electronics, including a smart home device ecosystem. Their budget plans are annually and constantly providing the public their liquidation cash flows on their web pages. Goodbye. See you references.
These are our
So
references.
those are the references. Yes, those are the references that which we help us to finish our group presentation. And thank you, Dr. Maru. And thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, everybody.